Feeling stuck in the daily grind but dream of starting your own business? I get it. You're working 9 to 5, you're exhausted, and the idea of starting something on the side seems impossible. But what if I told you, you don't need to quit your job to start building your dream life? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to launch a profitable side hustle while keeping your full-time job. Starting a side hustle isn't just a way to make extra money, it's the first step toward financial freedom, new skills, and independence. Whether your goal is to build a business that replaces your job or just earn a little extra on the side, you need a plan to balance it all without burning out. So, let's dive into how you can make it happen. Step 1 is to identify the right side hustle. Ask yourself these questions. What skills do I already have? What problems can I solve for others? What can I start with little to no money? The key is to pick something you're passionate about, but also realistic. Examples? Freelancing, digital products, content creation, or even consulting in your area of expertise. Time management is your secret weapon. You don't have hours of free time, but you do have pockets of time. Use mornings, evenings, and weekends wisely. Schedule time to work on your side hustle, just like you would a work meeting. I recommend using tools like Google Calendar or Trello to time block your tasks. Both are free resources to help you get started. One of the best ways to add more time to your day is by using the golden hour, the first hour after you wake up. Dedicate this quiet, focused time to work on your side hustle before your 9 to 5 or any other distractions take over. You'll be amazed at how much progress you can make when you start your day with purpose. The key to not feeling overwhelmed? Start small. Break down your side hustle into bite-sized tasks that you can do each day. Today, that might mean setting up a simple website or launching your Instagram page. Tomorrow, you could research your first client or product idea. It's all about building momentum. To make the best use of your time, try using microbursts, short, intense bursts of focused work. Set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes and tackle one small task with full concentration. For example, you could write a quick blog post draft or schedule your next social media posts. Another microburst idea is organizing your inbox and responding to business-related emails. These short bursts add up and help you stay productive without feeling overwhelmed. A side hustle doesn't have to cost a lot of money to start. Use free or low-cost resources to get up and running. You can create graphics using Canva, manage projects with Trello, and even market your business for free on Instagram or Pinterest. This keeps your startup costs low while you figure out what works. Finally, consistency is key. If you're only working on your side hustle once in a while, you'll never see results. But don't overwork yourself either. Set realistic goals and take regular breaks. Schedule downtime so you don't burn out. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's recap. Identify the right side hustle that fits your skills and lifestyle. Manage your time with precision and focus. Start small, with bite-sized tasks every day. Use free tools and resources to minimize costs. Be consistent, but don't forget to rest and recharge. Ready to get started? Take 5 minutes today to jot down your business ideas and figure out what excites you. Small steps lead to big wins, so make your first step today. Use your golden hour tomorrow morning to take action. Thanks for watching. Click below to subscribe for more tips on how to build your dream life, one small step at a time.